Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today I am so excited to show you how I create this gold shimmering eye makeup look. It's very simple. If you're like me, you don't like to explore a lot of other colors, which I must admit I should be doing more colors, but since I love pink and a lot of more warmer tones, so it's perfect for the festive season, especially Christmas or New Year. I think it's pretty simple. There's only a need of couple products, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the eyebrows. I'll first create an outline and fill in the eyebrow with an eyebrow pencil. Then go in with a spoolie and blend it out. Next, I'm using a eyebrow cream to touch up the outline and the ends of the brows. Once I've completed that, I will be using a brown colored eyeshadow with an angle brush to set the eyebrows. I am now using a NARS eyebrow gel to groom the eyebrows. Lastly, I will be using concealer in order to tidy up any mistakes. Moving on to the eye makeup, here I am applying a bronze color as a base color from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette in shade Trick, and blend out the edges. Next, apply a thin layer of gold shimmer glitter on the eyelids, and repeat these steps till you reach the intensity of your liking. With an angled brush, and gently dip into any brown eyeshadow, I will create a guide for the eyeliner. Next, I'm using a black eyeliner to line my eyes. And with a brown eyeliner to line the outer of my bottom lash line. Using the same angle brush that was deep in brown eyeshadow, I will gently blend the bottom eyeliner. I'm now just applying my favorite false lashes. Line the bottom inner corner of your eye with a black eyeliner to create a more cat eye look and apply a hint of glitters in the inner corners. Now repeat this process for the other eye. Here's the completed eye makeup. Moving on, I am applying some blush and some highlighter on the highest point of my cheekbones. I am also applying some bronzer along the hollows of the cheeks and along the hairline. Lastly, to complete this look with the red lips, I am using a small amount of concealer to lighten up my lips color. And applying my favorite lip color from Jeffree style called Redrum. You can always use the concealer to correct any mistakes. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Check out my cute little pair of snowflake earring from Target. It's so cute and it's only $4. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and I shall see you next time. Bye!